Hello and welcome back to another video. Is part 6. I'm pretty sure of how to make a Discord bot in Python. I just hope this video doesn't get corrupted like the one I just recorded and it was corrupted, and I had to record the same thing over again and it made me annoyed. But last time we learned how to make the help command, custom help command, and also kick and ban command. So today we're going to be learning DMs and error handlings, because error handling is the best thing in the world. So let's get right into today's video. I'll tell you, recording is very scary and hard in this PC. You have to make it inside only 30 minutes. It doesn't save it, it corrupts the file for some reason. So I lost the video. In that video, basically I made help error handling. So also in the other video I had forgotten, but it's not actually client client commands that has permissions. I'll edit it in the other video also so you don't get it mistaken, but it's commands that has permissions. The other BPlayer was an idiot to do that, but I'm not. I am the better one. I'll go over this one again. So whenever you make an error, so do iterate and then you do the variable name like what you have written here, like example kick. So kick dot error, no parentheses. So then you go down below and async def kick underscore error. That's what basically isn't what you can do, but I don't think it really needs to be that. But you can make it that. Don't ask me questions, I'm confused right now. Then parentheses and cx, comma, and error, and then colon, and then just the funny, the cool bit. I'm gonna say cool, I have no other words. Then if space is instance, parentheses, error, comma, and commands dot, then you can add anything you want. But right now we're working on missing arguments, so there are many things here. I'm gonna type them. Excuse me. So it says missing permissions and missing role required argument. These are the ones we're gonna be working with. So missing required argument, then it will, if there's a missing required argument, it will colon, there's a colon, and it will await.ctx.send parentheses, and it will send this message here: please enter the required arguments. So as you can see, I run it, I have given no arguments here, and it sends this message. Then we can do the same. We can even add another error handling just below this. So error, comma, commands dot missing permissions. I mean, I cannot run this command because I have the permissions. Because I'm owner. I won't be able to run this command, but you can try it out yourself. If you have missing permissions, then it won't let you run the command. It will just send this. Wait, ctx.send. If you have no permissions, it will send this. It's running somehow. Okay. I'm just gonna copy this. Control C, Control V. Please. Okay. don't have the permission to use this command. You don't have the permission to use this command. Then we are done with the error. Kick error is done. This is all you want. This is the kick error. It will send error handling done for kick. It will not send errors in terminal and won't be packed. Now, if you want the same, is basically same for every command. Just change the names up, and it will be good to go. So I'm just gonna do this. If you're wondering why I'm putting the errors under the command, you can put it in a place, but I just like to put it under the command. Ban error. If instance, please enter the required arguments. Ban. You don't have the permission to use this command, and it's done. This is all you want for error handling. So this is basically it. This is how to send a DM. If you wanted to know, this video was actually going to be on sending a DM, but then I realized I've already done that, and I have been an idiot to make it again. So yeah, I'm gonna change this to watching because just for the sake of it. This isn't used to make streaming and playing status. There is a different way and a much smaller way, compact way to make streaming and gaming playing status, but this is the way if you want all the status. This is to make all 4 kinds of status, with these also 4 kinds of status. I think you get what I mean, but if you don't, then I have no idea how to explain it. So in this episode we have learned how to do error handling, so errors don't come up in our terminal and just kill the terminal. So now I think we're pretty much done with the series, and I don't know what we have to add in the series, but if you have any requests of what to add, leave it down in the comment section down below, and I'll make a video on that. Wait, there's a video to make the unban and mute and unmute commands. I think there will be one more video, most probably. Don't know, maybe not sure, but there might be a video. Don't know. You don't know, you know. I'll see you next time. Enough. Why do I have so much trouble with these outros? Alright, enough rambling. I'll see you next time.